Hey guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry, working today on my blue and green earrings, and I thought I will share what I'm creating today and step by step if you guys want to make something very similar. And never measure beads that I'm using, because in this project you can use anything you have in your stash, plus it doesn't require this design any thick wires. You can use your 22 or 24 gauge wire, just little pieces. So like I said, you don't need any beads you have in your stash. I promise everything will work out. So what we need is 3 for now. We need actually 4 wires for this design, but 3 is the one that will create the main circle. And let me measure this. They are, yeah, it's like 5.5 basically inches long. Straighten them. They has to be straightened. Let me put away all these guys. And yep, so 3 of them. And I need my bail maker pliers, but if you don't have this tool, you can use pencil. I use this, and I use the largest one, and I just want to make exactly round, something like that. Push, 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 push. Remove them from your pliers and you will have this. Sometimes I just drop them, don't worry about it. We need also a little piece. This one is shorter than 5.5, because this one is 5.5. This one is shorter. It's just left over, all whatever you have. This is my 4th wire we needed for this earrings. So when they join together, we have to make first wrap. So I put my wire inside in the circle here. Notice I didn't hammer anything yet or anything, just like that. And I have 1 wrap, and I will put inside again. Sometimes if you want to just have 1 wrap, you can do that too. Just consistent. If you make 2 earrings, same. So we have beautiful 2 wraps here, attaching all the wires, and we need 1 bead. Since I use blue, let me just take a blue. Yeah, it's any size, as long as they fit in, right? You can, some of them, let's see, I made this with the tinier one. These pairs I started to make with the larger one, just like this. You can even use larger size. Just make sure you use on the bottom of the design light, something glass or something very light, because you don't want them to be very heavy. So here they are, like we have a bead inside, and this time I will just make 1 wrap, like to secure these, something like that. That's it, and we have the beads sit there. Now we can start to, so we have 1, 2, 3 legs here, 3 here, and 1 here. I will use my glass. It says 3 mil, but it's just for reference, but guys, you use any beads you have. So we'll put 1, and if I wanna, we can make them very dramatically sitting. You can even more, you can put your bead even here and then make it sharp. You can make them sitting, let's say, you can make them sitting like very sharp, right? You can make it very sharp, like 1, then 2, 3, 4, whatever. Mine is sitting like this, see this angle? Yeah, anything you wanted. This I even set, see how it sits. It was flat first, and then I actually bend some of them up so they look like almost like a balloon. Like if you see the angle there, is that something? So you can play and decide how you want your beads sit. I never measure, but I just eyeball it. Then the problem is with the second earring, because you have to measure that from the first. So here we go. It's the first bend. I just bend it like this. It's a soft wire. Remember not to be very rough with that. Don't ruin it. And we nicely wire wrap around. At least I like 2 times. Okay, 2, and then we cut. And I love to push that wire all the way so it will not scratch anything. Make sure you nicely tuck it in. Yeah, sometimes. Okay, so this is perfect. And then I decide what I want to do with the next and next and next. Let's see which one is next. Just make sure that they are nicely lined up. I think this one is first, yeah. Then will be this, and then will be this. Okay, one more. I like to have sit them like this. And when you decide how you wanted them to sit, just push the wire to see that will be sitting like this, and hold, and wire wrap twice around that bead. That's it. So you guys, it's annoying to show you all. So you actually finish all those ends. The only thing is about this 24 or 22 gauge wire, it's thin. So what I do, like I start this pair, I'll show you. I start this pair, so I want to just measure everything how it is, so 2 of them will be the same. After I'm done, I press, because I want to make them I want to work harden them. So what I use my pliers. I think it's a good idea with the rubber, something that is not harsh. So I just press and create the wires will be tougher, so you know it will hold your shape. So guys, I hope it's a useful tutorial, and you can make something. Be creative, create something that you want. You can make them line up the completely straight, you know, it could be straight line. You can, nobody say that it has to be like that. If you put the first bead, you can make them lying exactly same way. That's up to you, whatever what you want to do. Be creative. I'm just here to inspire and show what I do, share with the world. Maybe you can create something exactly like I do. For those who like my style, why not? Thank you guys for all the comments. Thank you for watching me, and peace to everybody. Stay cool, and I will see you very soon next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.